Robert Marawa Biography, Age, Parents, Wife, Baby, Salary, Health Issues. Robert Marawa Biography. Robert Marawa is a South African television and radio personality. He is a sports journalist who is a presenter for SuperSport and is the host of 083 Sports on Metro FM. Robert Marawa age. He was born on March 1, 1973 in Vryheid, South Africa. He is 45 years old as of 2018. Robert Marawa family. Robert Marawa parents. He is the son of Funlyle Marawa, mother, and Frank Marawa, father. It is unclear if Robert Marawa has other siblings other than his two famous sisters, Gugu Marawa, who was deputy manager of the South African senior men's national football team, Bafana Bafana, and general manager of Lamontville Golden Arrows for a brief period. His other sibling is Vanessa Marawa, who achieved fame after participating and eventually winning Survivor South Africa, Panama. Robert Marawa wife. Robert Marawa wedding. Robert Marawa was romantically linked with Zoe Mthiane. It is not clear whether they got married or not. She gave birth to their son on July 18, 2011 at Netcare, the Bay Hospital in Richards Bay, KwaZulu-Natal. Robert Marawa baby was named Awand Marawa. Robert Marawa and Pearl Josie. Later, he started an affair with Pearl Josie, who is a South African actress, RJ, model, and a businesswoman. The lovebirds met at a polo event. At the beginning, both of them denied the fact and proved as a rumor, but their lie was caught by the media after she was seen with an engagement ring. Despite their engagement being plagued by rumors of a split and their families apparently not seeing eye to eye on Lobola negotiations, they managed to keep up a united front. However, on August 6, 2017, Robert Marawa confirmed the rumors in a tweet. "I confirm the rumor and speculation that our relationship with Miss Pearl Josie ended a few months ago. We continue to be good friends though." Robert Marawa baby. Robert Marawa's son Awand Marawa was born on July 18, 2011 at 22:35 at Netcare, the Bay Hospital in Richards Bay, KwaZulu-Natal, to South African performer Zoe Mthiane. Robert Marawa education background. He attended Hilton College in Hilton outside Pietermaritzburg in KwaZulu-Natal. Later, he joined the University of the Witwatersrand in 1992, where he studied a law degree. Robert Marawa career. He began his career as a continuity presenter before moving into sports broadcasting, anchoring shows like Top Sport and Lajima. In 1996 he joined SABC1, when the channels were relaunched in their present format of SABC1, SABC2, and SABC3, as a Zulu and English continuity presenter. After 2 years at SABC1 he started at the then Top Sport as an anchor of the popular live soccer show Lajima in late 1997. Over the next years Robert Marawa would host Soccer Zone, a football highlights show which continues to air on SABC1 on Mondays, Discovery Sports Center, which aired from 1800 hours to 1900 hours weekdays on SABC Radio's Metro FM, hosted SABC2's boxing show Blow by Blow, traveled to Germany for the 2006 FIFA World Cup, hosted various other sports for the SABC and later SuperSport. He has also presented the People's Celebration Concert, a 2006 Premier Foods concert, judged on 2012 Miss South Africa, and co-hosted the 12th Annual Metro FM Awards with Azania Mozaka in 2013. In 2006 Robert Marawa left SABC TV for SuperSport, SABC's rival, but remained on SABC Radio's Metro FM. He currently hosts Thursday Night Live with Robert Marawa on SuperSport 4, SS4, and 083 Sports at 6 with Robert Marawa on SABC Radio's Metro FM. Robert Marawa's salary. According to the contract of employment signed by Marawa and the SABC, Marawa will be earning a monthly salary of R154,000. The contract also indicates that he will be paid an annual salary of R1.8 million and, by the end of his contract, he would have earned at least R5.5 million. Health issues. In 2008 he suffered a heart attack on his way home from the gym. He was able to call the ambulance and was rushed to Sunninghill Hospital where the doctors operated on him to unblock an artery. Controversy. Robert Marawa's continued working relationship with SABC Radio and SuperSport television channel has long been a subject of scrutiny and sometimes criticism. Robert Marawa started his television career at SABC1 as a continuity presenter, general presenter, no specific subject, one of 3 SABC television channels, and later switched to sports, which presumably led to his post at Metro FM. In 2006 he reportedly accepted a post and signed with SuperSport ahead of the 2006 FIFA World Cup, traveled to Germany for the SABC to cover the tournament for the SABC and resigned after. When Robert Marawa accepted a post at SuperSport, he left his post at SABC Television where he headed Lajima and Soccer Zone but kept his post at Metro FM despite SuperSport and SABC being rivals. In February 2014 then SABC Acting Chief Operating Officer Xolani Gwala announced a new policy that will prohibit presenters and news readers from having jobs elsewhere. Some viewed this as targeted at Robert Marawa. Robert Marawa contacts. Bookings at djsproduceion.com.